Hello everyone, today's topic is Business Studies Project Marketing Management Shaving Cream, BST Project File, Class 11th or 12th, Jaipuriya School, Business Studies Project on Marketing Management, Session 2023 to 2024, submitted to teacher's name and then submitted by student's name. Now introduction page, name, class, section, roll number, subject, school. Topic, Marketing Management Shaving Cream. Certificate. This is to certified that Tanisha Mishra of class 12 has successfully completed this business studies project on the topic Marketing Management prescribed by Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am during the academic session 2023 to 2024 as per the guidelines issued by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. Now signature of ma'am. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am as well as our principal Mrs. Vinita Sharma ma'am, who gave me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic marketing management, which also helped me in doing a lot of research, and I came to know about so many new things. I am very thankful to them. Now principal's name, teacher's name. Marketing Management Shaving Cream, index page, Marketing Management, Marketing Mix, Introduction, Shaving Cream, Licensing and Permission, SWOT Analysis, Benefits of using Shaving Cream, Why I choose this product, Product Description, Pricing, Promotional Schemes, Competitor Brands, Competitor Analysis, Conclusion. Marketing Management. Marketing management is a process of decision making, planning and controlling the marketing aspects, setting the goals of a company, organizing the plans step by step, taking decisions for the firm and executing them to get the maximum turnover by meeting consumers' demands. Marketing management is based on product, place, price and promotion to attract consumers. And here are some pictures. Now marketing mix. Marketing mix usually refers to set of 4 Ps with product, price, promotion and place. Marketing tools that a firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. First product, second promotion, third price and fourth is place. My product, Gillette Shaving Cream. Introduction. Gillette is an American brand of safety razors and other personal care products including gel, foam, cream, etc. It is very suitable for all skin types and can be used as part as a daily skincare routine. It gives softer, smoother, fair, clear and more glowing skin. And here are some pictures. Gillette Shaving Cream logo, USP, leader in grooming products. Tagline, the best a man can get. And here are some pictures of Gillette Shaving Cream. Licensing and permission. In order to start manufacturing a cosmetic product, has to obtain a license from the license authority of the government. The application to be submitted from 31st along with a license fee of rupees 3,500 and inspection fee of rupees 1,000. Inspection of whole provides where the operations are to be carried out should be done. Inspection appointed under the Pharmacy Act 1948 should carry out the inspection and submit a detailed report to the licensing authority, which will there decide the grant of the license or not. and here is the certificate page. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Locality of our factory. Our factory is near the market, which reduces transportation costs. Weakness. Lack of marketing expertise. New brand in market, hence customers will not trust us easily. Opportunities. A developing market such as internet and introduction with global market. Threats. As we are new in market, it will be challenging for us to grow between well-known brands. Price war with competitors, and here is a beautiful page. Benefits of using shaving cream. Soothing and refreshing, looking smart, hydrate skin, smooth skin, protects razor burn, protects redness, comfortable shave, protects skin from irritation, and here are some pictures. Why I choose this product? My product is Gillette shaving cream. Shaving cream is the basic necessity in men's life. It is very mild and creamy. It improves the clear and radiant skin. We can easily purchase it from shop or online. We can also store it. It is available in different shapes, sizes, fragrances and prices. And here are some pictures. My product description. Gillette is an American brand of safety razors and other personal care products including gel, foam and cream. We provide a good quality product in reasonable prices, and we use eco-friendly, natural and gentle materials to make our product. We try to provide large variety of product as per the consumer's demand. And here are some pictures. My pricing, some prices here. The decisions regarding product mix will depend on many factors like design, features, brand name, quality, variety, service, packaging, labeling. Promotional schemes. Promotional can be explained as a set of activities to communicate about the product, its services and brand value to the people, like coupons, discount, buy one get one free, offer, cashback, and here are some beautiful pictures. Competitive brands in the market. Dettol shaving cream, Old Spice shaving cream, Axe shaving cream, Nivea shaving cream, Vijon shaving cream. Competitor analysis. Dettol shaving cream. Dettol is a cleaning, disinfectant and antiseptic. Dettol shaving cream is a rich creamy formula that softens the beard for a smooth shave. USP. Dettol is the first of its kind in antibacterial segment. Tagline. Keep the memories but not the bacteria. And here are some pictures of Dettol shaving cream. Old Spice shaving cream. Old Spice shaving cream softens your stubble and conditions skin for a friction-free, moisture-balanced shave. It is very rich in creamy lather. It keeps you smelling fresh. USP. Focus on quality and innovation. Tagline. Smell like a real man. And here are some pictures of this shaving cream. Axe shaving cream. Crafted for a rich creamy lather, this shaving cream produces the kind of moisturizing foam which makes it easier for you to shave that rough patch of stubble from your skin. USP. With best quality fragrance. Tagline. The Axe effect gets you more than before. And here are some pictures of Axe shaving cream. Nivea shaving cream. Nivea shaving cream is a rich moisturizing foam with aloe vera, vitamins and active moisturizers that helps prevent dry skin. It protects your skin from irritation. USP: Nivea makes dry skin smooth and irresistible to touch. Tagline: 100 years of skin care for life. And here are some pictures of Nivea shaving cream. Vijon shaving cream. Vijon shaving cream guards against bacterial infections in case of cuts and wounds during shave. It moisturizes, nourishes and prevents dryness. USP: easy shaving experience. Tagline: Grooming India. And here are some pictures of Vijon shaving cream. All shaving creams. Shaving cream is a category of cosmetics. The purpose of shaving cream is to soften the hair by providing lubrication. It creates a thin layer of protection between the blade and skin, ensuring less friction and minimizing redness, razor burn and irritation. And here are some pictures of all shaving creams. Conclusion: its deep, rich formula of hydrating emollients and lubricants softens facial hair and protects even the most sensitive skin while you shave. It helps to protect your skin against cuts and irritations. It also provides soft, smooth, glowing, fair and clear skin. Gillette shaving cream is the best cream, and here are some pictures presented by Tanisha Mishra. Thanks.